So hello fellow coin collectors, how you going? This is Glenn, and today I've got a video that's mainly tailored to those who are brand new to coin collecting. Those that have been collecting coins for a while would actually, or should know this anyway. And this video is probably not for you, just for new coin collectors. So sometimes, especially on eBay forums, we get people asking, are these coins errors? So I have some $1 coins here, and what they are asking is, as you can see around here, is a dark patch, and asking if this is actually an error on coins. Don't worry about the flame floor, that's not what I'm talking about today, but that actually is an error on the actual planchet. But what we're talking about is this dark patch around here. So this is a 1985. This coin is a 1994, but we're going to use that as an example. Here's another coin, 1994, it's just starting to develop. And these mainly are on 1985 coins, but they do occur in 1984, as you can see. And here is another 1984 coin, and do we see it on there? Yeah, you can see it just starting, but not as prominent as on the 1985 coin. So what is this? Well, this is actually a sign of the coin, or in this case the actual copper, is reacting most likely with oxygen to form copper oxide. And it is just a natural process of metals that are pretty unstable in their atomic element, and they need to bind with another element to become stable. So this time they're most likely binding with oxygen because it's pretty much very common, and it's causing it to turn brown. So here we have the 1994, and as you can see on this side, it's pretty normal. I think that's been affected by something, been cleaned. It looks like it's been bleached. But on this side you can see it's starting to go brown as well. Well, this area has a little less contact, so it doesn't get worn down, as you can see on the kangaroo. Is that a damage? On the kangaroo you can see dark patches, and the light patches are where it's been handled or it's been damaged somehow. And you can see it on the side in between the grooves as well. And then on this 1985 you can see it's been worn on the top, and around these patches here, this is where it will get not worn as much. So this coin is not an error, it's just a artifact of age. So all coins should develop a patina over time, which, if I show some other coins, so here is a 1917 bronze coin, so it's mainly copper as well, and the black, so copper and tin, and black, no, not black, brown, is not the actual colour of fresh copper or fresh bronze coin. It's usually a yellowish colour, and it gets this colour when it oxidizes, and this is what we call a patina. So this is actually protecting the coin, and as you can see it's starting to be a bit worn there. So all coins actually develop this, and these coins are no different. So if we have a look at a Chinese cash coin, so this is brass. These are usually brass or bronze. This actually looks like it's brass, which is copper and zinc, but it doesn't matter. You can see the dark colours in there. So this is the oxidation happening. This is probably because it's been handled too much, because these are really not that much value. So you can see on that, it's pretty much similar to what's happening on these coins. That's just oxidation. And if we show you one that hasn't been handled that much, but it's quite a well-worn coin, but doesn't matter. Kayin Tong Pao. And you can see it's totally black. This is all patina, all oxidation of the coin caused by just natural age. And if we go back to even an older period, this is a wushu, so this is probably 2,000 years old. You can see it's actually been broken off there, the patina, which is actually a bad thing for a coin, because you need that. It means you're actually missing a part of the coin. So just remember, the patina is actually part of the coin. It used to be a natural element refined, and now it's going back to a stable state. And I need to get rid of that bronze disease, which is the green stuff, which is probably copper sulfide, which is not good because it actually destroys the coin. So you can see here, nice beautiful patina, and this is actually quite thick. It will go quite depth into the coin. As you can see, it's quite deep there, probably a millimeter, which on these coins is actually probably not even a millimeter, probably an atom thick, but it still does affect it. So that is what that is all about. It's just the copper oxidizing, and it will turn into that, and eventually it will get real thick and turn into that. And in the long term, the coin would just disappear. It would just corrode over probably hundreds of thousands of years, really, and it will go back into the environment and be recycled. So I hope this covers up what is going on with this coin, $1 coin. Usually $9.84.85. Maybe you can get them in other years, but I've not seen any. Anyway, I hope this helps you out, and just have an awesome coin collecting time, people. Thank you, and bye bye.